In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use DeepSearch with Grok 3. If you're new to Grok, think of it as an AI assistant designed to help you explore complex questions and surface useful, summarized insights. DeepSearch is the part of Grok that digs into your prompt, gathers relevant information, and presents a coherent response you can work with. Our goal today is simple. Open your Grok account, access DeepSearch, enter a clear prompt, and let the system generate the results. First, open your Grok account. Make sure you're signed in and that your internet connection is stable so your session doesn't time out while you're working. If this is your first time, it helps to have a clean browser window and to close unused tabs, just to keep everything responsive. Once you're in, look for the DeepSearch option in the interface. Depending on your layout, it may appear in the main navigation or within the Tools panel. Click DeepSearch to open the workspace where you'll enter your prompt. You'll see a text field waiting for your question. This is where the magic starts. Now, enter your prompt. Type clearly and be as direct as possible about what you want to learn. For example, I'll write, "What's the disadvantage of AI affiliate?" You can keep it short like that, or add a bit of context if you want a more tailored response. Clarity helps DeepSearch AI understand your intent and return more focused results. Avoid including any personal or sensitive information in your prompt. Keep it general and topic-based. When you're ready, press Enter. DeepSearch will begin processing right away. You might notice a brief pause as it analyzes your request and compiles an answer. That waiting period is normal. It's working to gather, organize, and summarize the most relevant points so you don't have to sift through everything yourself. As the response appears, give it a moment to finish generating. You'll typically see a structured summary that highlights key drawbacks or limitations for your topic. In this case, disadvantages related to AI affiliate. Look for concise explanations, examples, and any caveats the system includes. If the answer feels broad, that often means the original question was broad too, which is completely fine for an initial exploration. And that's it. You opened your Grok account, clicked DeepSearch, entered your prompt, pressed Enter, and waited for the generated insights. With this simple workflow, you can quickly turn a question into an organized, useful overview. Thanks for watching, and enjoy exploring with DeepSearch in Grok 3.